You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhriti Atri, and here are the biggest stories that are making headlines across the globe today. So, let's start with it. Tel Aviv erupts after Netanyahu seeks pardon. Well, thousands filled the streets demanding justice. They fear that power is being used to escape the law here. Protesters cried that no special treatment should be given to the Prime Minister. Turkey unveils jet hunting combat drone. Turkey's new drone successfully hit an aerial target. It can fight manned jets, and that too without a pilot. Well, the future of air combat may have changed forever. United States jet fly close to Venezuelan airspace here. F-18s launched from the USS Gerald Ford. They ran simulated attack mission. Well, it's kind of a powerful message without firing a single shot. Trump declares Venezuela's airspace closed. That's right, in a dramatic and highly unusual statement. No official war declared, but tensions explode here. The whole world is asking what comes next. Secret call between Trump and Maduro revealed. Trump reportedly offered Maduro an exit deal. Step down and leave with protection, but in the meantime, Maduro refused and made a counter demand. Venezuela activates Russian S-300 defenses. Air defense systems are now fully operational. In fact, jets and missiles can be intercepted. Caracas is preparing for the worst-case scenario. Iran seizes fuel ships near Strait of Hormuz. 350,000 liters of fuel reportedly confiscated. In fact, the whole crew is in custody. Here, global oil markets are on the edge. Oil route under threat in Middle East waters. The Strait of Hormuz is a vital global artery. Any disruption over there could spike fuel prices. The world knows about it. Nations are now monitoring every single move. Russia watches Venezuela crisis closely. Moscow is Venezuela's long-time ally. The US move could trigger Russian responses. Here, global tensions are quietly rising. Venezuela prepares shadow warfare strategy here. Russian missiles may be spread nationwide. Small units could strike from hidden position. A long, chaotic conflict is being planned. Pentagon reviews Caribbean military options here. Well, the US military assets, they are gathering nearby. No invasion announcement yet, but the readiness, it leaves a rising fast. Israel faces deepening political crisis. People fear that democracy is under immense threat here. Even the president, he is under suspicion. Basically, a nation questions its own system. Turkish drone flies beside the F-16 jet. Unmanned and manned aircraft now fly together. Now, this shows a new kind of warfare. Human plus AI is equal to future dominance. Venezuela military unit put on high alert here. Patrols intensified across cities and borders. In fact, Air Force constantly monitors the sky. In fact, the nation, it is bracing for the impact. United States strategy shift towards psychological pressure here. No official attack announcements yet, but massive intimidation is underway. Break the leaders without the firing. Venezuelan public fear possible invasion here. That's right. Citizens rush for supplies, stores and schools. They remain on the edge. Uncertainty consumes daily life. NATO nation monitor Turkish military rise here. Turkey's tech growth, it scares major power. Balance of air dominance is shifting. In fact, new alliances may soon form. ICC pressure mounts against Israeli Prime Minister Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu. International criticism over Gaza continues. Legal pressure grows worldwide. Here, Israel's image, it is again in the spotlight. Drone warfare becomes new normal. Uncrewed system outperform the humans now. In fact, some countries race to build them. Human pilots may soon be optional. Venezuelan generals divided behind the closed doors. That's right. Some support their president, Nicolas Maduro, others hesitate. Internal cracks are forming. In fact, power may shift from within. United States Navy expands presence in Caribbean. Multiple warships now patrol the area. Surveillance? It is non-stop. The sea has turned into a battlefield zone. Energy markets reacts to Iran's action. Oil prices shake every single update here. Shipping companies feel the fear right now. In fact, the economists, they could soon feel the heat. Middle East and Latin America tensions collide once again. Unrelated regions now feel connected than ever before. Now the power struggles are becoming global. In fact, one spark could ignite many fronts. Maduro's exit could change every single thing in Latin America. If he leaves, a power struggle begins. New leadership may rise. Stability or chaos, it is still unclear. Turkey challenges Western air superiority here. United States and NATO dominated skies for decades. The world knows it. Turkey now steps into that space. Basically, a new military power is rising. Silent diplomacy fails behind the scenes. Negotiations do not succeed. Trust is broken on both the sides. Action may now speak. Citizens ask, who has the real power? Is it the leaders? Is it the court? Or is it the military force? In fact, democratic systems are tested. In fact, trust institution is dropping. Technology redefines the battlefield. Wars may no longer need humans. AI and drones take control now. Ethics and danger, they collide. One decision away from the conflict, a single order could trigger war. Nerves are stretched globally. Peace hangs by a thread. World watches absolute silence here. Every radar, every satellite is focused. Global leaders are waiting. The next move will reshape the history. And with that, that's a wrap up of our 30 news bulletins from around the globe. From Gaza to Venezuela, from Iran to the United States, the world is changing and so is geopolitics. And Times XP is here to give you all the latest update that matters the most. I am Dhruti Yatri. See you tomorrow.